Hi everyone. Today my topic is organic chemistry is the study of carbon. Why? So organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with the organic compounds. So these organic compounds are we extracted from the plant and animals. So in last 18th century, the compounds are divided into two types. Those are organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Now I arise one question. So what compound or what atom organic compound simple? That means what makes organic simple? That means which type of component present in the argon compounds? That means the answer is carbon. Why? Carbon has a some anomalous behavior so that we have to use the carbon as a one compound by study of the organic compounds. So what? Carbon has a anomalous behavior. What is meant by anomalous? Means something is different. That means among the periodic table, what are the elements are there? So that carbon shows a some different property that is known as the anomalous. So what are the points anomalous behavior? That means the first point is carbon has a tetravalency. That means it has a valency as a 4. So what is how valency is 4? Means you see that electronic configuration of carbon, that is carbon as a atomic number is 6. Now valence the electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p2. Now on excited state the carbon electron of the 2s orbital jumped from the 2p orbital. Now the total valence electrons are there 4, so that carbon shows a tetravalency. Okay. Now, second one is it shows a catenation property. So, what is meant by catenation? Catenation is a property which carbon links the that number of chain carbon other atoms, that means other means hydrogen or chlorine, whatever it may be. So it linking self linking of so many atoms known as catenation. So that's why the if you have carbon is a two dimensional structures also form, and three dimensional, that is space lattice, three dimensional structures also form. Now by these two property carbon shows a analogous behavior. Okay. Now I ask one question. So that's why the carbon shows a analogous behavior, so that it take part in the organic chemistry. So S, that means carbon shows the anomalous behavior, so that organic chemistry compounds, what are the compounds are there organic compounds. So those shows a carbon as a basic atom. Okay. Now carbon forms four bonds. That means carbon forms with the linking with the hydrogen. That means hydrocarbons. And for example CH4 and then CCl4 carbon tetrachloride carbon forms four bonds. Okay. So that forms hydrocarbon. Carbon with hydrogen forms the hydrocarbon. Okay. Now this organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with the organic compound. These organic compounds are from the extracted from the plants and animals. Okay. Now in this organic chemistry we deal with the only carbon atom. Okay. So now this carbon atom forms a single bonds. I already told single bond. Example methane and carbon tetrachloride carbon forms four bond. Then carbon it form double bonds also, and carbon form triple bond also. So that it shows a anomalous behavior from the bond formation. Okay. Now this organic chemistry organic compounds deals with the main component as the carbon, and we other components we shows the carbon and other component. That means we have to show the hydrogen, hydrocarbon. Now these organic compounds divided into, that is alicyclic compound and cyclic compound. Okay. Now aliphatic compound and aromatic compound. Okay. Now this carbon it shows a anomalous behavior, so that in organic compound we can take part in the carbon atom is a primary element, primary atom. So that we have to tell about the organic chemistry, you have to start the organic chemistry. First you have to learn about the carbon. Okay, so carbon, so first carbon, it shows an anonymous behavior, and why it shows an anonymous behavior means two reasons. What is first one is tetravalency, it has a tetravalency, and second one is it has a catenation property. So in this organic chemistry, first you have to learn about the carbon. Next you go for this, how the bond formation, that means single bond, double bond, and triple bond. Or next one is what are the functional groups are there while dealing with the organic compounds, and then go for the how the organic compounds are purification of the compound by easy method of the crystallization, distillation, fractionation, and we have simple distillation, fractional distillation. Okay, by these methods we have to purify the organic compounds. Okay, thank you.